Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I just want to say I hope you all had a good Christmas and a good New Year. I know I'm a bit late, about 9 days late on the New Year, but I've been on a bit of a vacation, a bit of a holiday, some time to just rest and chill out, with my girlfriend, just relaxing, just chilling. But now I'm back, ready to get into it. I've been quite active on Twitter while I was on vacation. I've been active in the Pluto Discord, and I just want to go over some things that's been going on since I've been away, and maybe you want some more info on. What's been going on over the past couple of weeks is primarily Starship stuff. I'm going to talk about how that works and maybe some stuff to help some guys who had issues with it. If you haven't already, there has been a lot of help given already since it's been out, but hopefully this video might be able to help you get started and get you into Starship and start earning kyanite. It's a passive income game, play to earn. It's pretty good. Kyanite, the price of kyanite went crazy high and people made good profit, and they still are, and people are still playing it. You can buy planets, you can get Starship parts, all that good stuff, and I'll show you guys all about that soon. But before we get right into the video, guys, my channel has been growing very good. My Twitter has been blowing up. So if you guys if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button, and let's get right into the video. So with Starship, so guys, everyone's been wondering about the rev share, about how that works with Pluto Alliance. What's the big deal? Because it is a partnership. This was posted the other day. I actually made this infographic. I'm a graphic artist, so I like making things like this. So I did it. So if you hold a V1 alien, 70% of the Starship revenue pool will be distributed amongst everyone. How it will be distributed hasn't been discussed or decided just yet, from my knowledge. For example, will a Pluto alien get a higher amount than a Jupiter? I'm not sure just yet, but I think it's in discussion. So those who have concerns about that, please just wait for information announcements to come out, and it will come out. For V2, again, 30% of the rev share pool will go out between everyone. Again, rarity of the planets, I'm not too sure just yet, so please bear with us on that. So yeah, how do you earn rev share? So all you have to do is buy either V1 or V2, and that's basically it, guys. It'll come in monthly installments. There is a dashboard being made right now to maybe be able to claim it, some information about it all. I think that is in development right now. It might be coming out in the end of the month. If not next month, I'm unsure of the date when it's coming out, but it's coming. So yeah, that's a lot of talking very quickly there. So if you guys do want to check this out, just join the Discord. I'll leave all the links down below, and this is in the announcements, and you can have a little read yourself. For those who have been struggling to play Starship, there's a brilliant tutorial video here. I'm going to leave a link to this guy's video here. He basically shows how to fix around the bugs, how to play the game, how does it all work. A lot of the bugs in this video have now been fixed, but it's a good introduction into the video, into the game. It's really well done. He goes over it. It's 20 minutes long, so not too bad. And if you are looking to earn some passive income and play a game, you guys can easily get into it and watch this video, and it is great. So guys, head on over, leave a like on this video, and there you are. I'll leave all the links down below. Another thing, some more news with Pluto Alliance. So for this month and to start off 2022 and continuous throughout the year, the Kings have now got a treasury. They're able to host giveaways and give it out, and there's already been a bunch of giveaways to start the month, and it's only been 9 days. So you can see here, again, you can come to join the Discord, have a little read yourself. But there's going to be prizes out for different planets for V1. So if you're like a Pluto or black hole, you'll get like $1,000 equivalent in bit token and a Pluto Alliance version 1 NFT, and possibly a selected project that you might want to give you, and so on. Like each tier has different percent chances of winning, and so on, so on. So you guys can have a look at that yourself. There's going to be 30 plus winners for the month, so that's pretty cool. Decent number. Not loads, but decent enough, I'd say. 30 plus people, it's a lot, especially when it's thousands of dollars being given away. There's also this happening with Ethereum Towers. I'm a huge fan of Ethereum Towers. Massive project, and they're a partner of Pluto Alliance. So on the 13th, which is a Thursday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there's going to be a social event, a happy hour with Zen Academy and Pluto Alliance and Ethereum Towers. It's going to be fun. There's going to be games, and there's going to be prizes. There's going to be chances of actually winning an Ethereum tower, I believe. Don't quote me on that. They usually do a lot of giveaways like that, where they give out a whitelist spot for an Ethereum tower. So if you guys want to join that, do so. I'm going to try my best to join this, because I always like to try and win a Ethereum tower. You can't get enough of them. Amazing project. So yeah, there's that, guys. So if you guys do, again, quick little shout out to myself, go to my Twitter. I'm using it a lot. So if you are waiting for my videos to come out, Twitter's the best place to find out when a new video is or what's going on. I'm basically here daily. So yeah, guys, give us a quick follow there. And lastly, but surely, we're going to give a shout out to bosscatrocketclub. They are on the Cardano network. They are an NFT project on there. I believe it's probably going to be the biggest project for Cardano for the NFT space there. They gave us a shout out today in their Discord, so I'm going to return the favor in our Discord on my video here while you guys are watching from the Pluto team, from the family. If you guys want to check out the project, you can do. I'm really bullish on it. It's looking incredible. You know, they're going to have a game. They've got like these rockets you can build and mint and all that stuff. Yeah, it's looking bullish. That's basically it for today, guys. I wanted to briefly go over stuff, introduce myself back because I've been away for about 2 weeks. I hope you all had a great Christmas and a great New Year's. For those who have questions and whatnot, we'll try to get through them in my next video. So if you guys want to maybe at me in my Discord, Pluto Alliance Discord, and let me know, I'll write them down. I'll find the answers out for you and we'll get into a video. My videos are going to be changing up a little bit. I'm going to be trying more, be myself a lot more, because that's just what I want to do. I just want to be me, go through videos, be relaxed and chill, try and be informative, and we'll just go through it as we go. So guys, if you did enjoy today's video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.